Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to Candy Crush Saga. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.